In this video, I'll show you how to separate a Facebook business page from your personal account. Many people want to run a business on Facebook while keeping their personal life private, and this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, it's important to understand that every Facebook business page is initially connected to a personal profile. Facebook uses your personal account to verify your identity, but this does not mean your personal information is visible to others on the page. Facebook has insanely difference. If you want full separation, the best approach is to create a new Facebook account dedicated solely to your business. Start by logging into your personal Facebook account and navigate to the business page you want to separate. Once there, click on Settings at the bottom left corner of the page. In the menu that appears on the left side, select Page Roles. This section allows you to manage who has access to the page and assign different levels of control. Open a new browser or use an incognito window to create a completely new Facebook account with a different email address. Make sure this account represents a real identity, verify the email, and complete the profile by adding a profile photo and basic information to make it look legitimate. After your new account is ready, return to your original business page and go to Page Roles. In the field provided, type in the name or email address of your new Facebook profile and assign it the role of admin. Admin is the highest level of access and allows the account to manage the entire page, including posting content, responding to messages, and adjusting settings. Once the new account has been added as an admin, log back into your personal account, go to Page Roles again, find your name, and click Remove. Confirm your choice to remove yourself from the page. Now, your business page is managed entirely through your new Facebook account, giving you a clean separation between your personal and professional life. You can continue to run your business, post updates, and interact with customers using the new account without your personal friends or family seeing your business activities. Keep in mind that Facebook requires a real person to manage the page, so avoid creating fake profiles. You also have the flexibility to transfer admin rights back to your personal account later if needed. By following these steps, you can manage your business more professionally and maintain your personal privacy while keeping your Facebook business page secure and independent.